the only prayer that you should do is say thank you. You know what? I don't believe in most of the religions. All religions were started with a good intention, but right now the people have mistreated it. It is like it has taken a whole new level right now, and now I'm like, okay, I don't want any of those. But when I look into some people who are praying, it's like, hey, if you give this, I'm so grateful for you. Hey, if you give this, I'll come and visit you in person. It's like business deal that most people have. Like, if you do this for me, then I'll do this. I don't think God is a businessman who likes to trade. But most of the people do that. They're like, I want you to do this. I don't think God is taking notes in there and saying like, okay, Manoj, you get a BMW this month and next month you'll get a holiday. No, it doesn't happen that way. I don't think that happens. I'm not sure. I haven't met God yet, but I'm pretty sure I don't think he's a businessman. For that, I'm sure. Rather than giving a business deal with the God, I would say just be grateful. Because the God has already blessed us. Look around you. Just look around you. And look at you. What you wished in your childhood, you're having it right now. What you thought was, wow, one day, is your meh right now. It's part of your life right now. You would have thought like owning a mobile phone is a big thing in your childhood, but right now it's like a normal thing. It same goes with the internet, house, or whatever you have. I don't know where you are, but I'll say I am pretty sure about this thing that you can be grateful for more than 50 things. Right now, to be instant, you can say at least 5 things that you're grateful for. So rather than having this business deal with God, I would say just say thank you multiple times throughout the day. Because you know what? The God doesn't like to have anything. The spiritual beings doesn't want this karma effect of taking anything from you, because they are in an enlightened stage. So whatever you give to them, it comes back to you twofolds. So give gratitude. It comes back to you in twofolds. All that I would say is, next time when you go to a temple or next time when you pray, just say thank you. See, when you're grateful, you'll forget all the problems that you have in your life. All the things that you wish you had will just disappear, and you'll start to be grateful for what is there. And many people think, not many people, I know a person exactly who asked me this, Manoj, if I start being grateful, isn't it like I'm settling down for less? I want more. I just don't want to get settled down. I'm like, you don't have to get settled down, but at least acknowledge the fact that you have this. Just acknowledge it and say thank you. I'm not asking you to settle down. Because when you give gratitude for what you already have, the universe, the God, or the Supreme Being will give you multiple folds of it. If you're grateful for 10 rupees or $10 or 10 euros, you'll be blessed with 20 euros or dollars or rupees. So next time when you go to spend your money, just be grateful that you have money in the first place. So my connection with God is by paying tribute, by saying thank you. And a lot of people are doing business. Don't do business. The God doesn't want you to do business with him or he or she or it, or the God doesn't want it. Be gratitude. And thanks for being such a good listener. You know what? Listening quality is reducing right now in the people's culture. People just don't listen. So I just want to acknowledge the fact that you have listened throughout. So I'm proud of you, and I'll meet you in the next podcast.